Trading futures spreads with FuturesPlus. As a trader, having the right tools is essential for making informed decisions and executing successful trades. FuturesPlus offers a suite of features tailored for trading futures options and futures spreads, giving you the edge you need in the market. Let's explore how you can search for, filter, and execute trades on futures spreads using this powerful platform. First, let's find futures spreads using the Market Explorer. For example, by typing CL for crude oil into the search bar, you'll see two types of icons in the products list: the blue icon for futures and the red icon for spreads. Hover over spreads and select the market grid to display all available crude oil spreads. Since it's unlikely you'll want to see all spreads at once, let's use the advanced search feature. Click the Explore button to open the search panel. Here you can select CME as the exchange, choose Spread as the type, and then look for CL. This will display dozens of spreads. To narrow your search further, click the More button. This allows you to filter spreads by term, month, or type. For example, if you want to see only calendar spreads, you can filter by that type, excluding butterflies and strips. You can further refine your search to only show calendar spreads related to the front month. For instance, select September to display all spreads between September and future months. You can use the Shift key to multi-select and display these spreads with expirations in a market grid. Now let's discuss executing a trade. With your crude calendar spreads displayed, click on a bid or ask to bring up the floating MD trader. Right-click on the title bar and choose to group your MD trader with your market grid. This setup allows you to switch spreads quickly by clicking on different bids or asks and updating the MD trader with the new spread. To execute a trade, let's click a blue cell to send a bid to the market. The MD trader will show a blue box with order details, where B stands for buy and shows how many contracts have been filled, and W indicates working contracts that are not yet filled. You can also send an offer by clicking an ask price from the red column. To modify or cancel an order, right-click and drag your order to a different price, or left-click to cancel. Next, let's explore the Spread Matrix, a tool that displays all available spreads in a more digestible format. In this example, all crude oil contracts are displayed in the matrix. The front month is shown on the left of the grid. Then the following months are listed in chronological sequence as you move down a row and move over a column. You may hover over bid and ask prices of individual contracts, or hover over bid and ask prices of where two contracts intersect, creating a spread. For example, if I hover over September and bring my cursor up where it intersects August, the bid and ask pricing will be for the September-August spread, and the tooltips will show the details. Clicking a bid or ask in the spread matrix brings up an order entry widget, allowing you to place orders, as we demonstrated previously. Once orders are filled, the spread matrix displays the number of contracts you hold on each expiration. Now let's move on to a more advanced tool, the Auto Spreader. This tool lets you create custom spreads. You can trade intra-commodity spreads or intercommodity spreads. For example, let's create a spread trading one NASDAQ futures against one ES future. The spread pricing will be displayed on the right MD trader. You may change your spread pricing price by adjusting the ratio and changing the multiplier. For instance, a 3-to-1 ratio for ES to NASDAQ. After configuring your spread, name it like ES versus NQ and click Apply. The spread appears in your control panel and you can continue editing or launch it for execution. You can add more legs to your spread if needed, making it as complex as your strategy requires. Clicking on the Launch button and selecting Open MD Trader with legs allows you to see the pricing of your synthetic spread, along with the pricing for each leg, and be able to monitor each execution. Finally, you can chart these custom spreads. Open a blank chart, select your product, and not only will you have access to charting all futures spreads found in the Explorer, but you can also chart the synthetic spreads created using Auto Spreader. This allows you to analyze historical behavior and make informed trading decisions. For additional educational resources, click the question mark button at the top right of the platform. You'll find a wealth of information on trading futures spreads using FuturesPlus. Thank you for watching.